fish. Yeah, I'm a fish. Yeah.
Shush! I demand silence!
No.
How dare you disrespect your own father?
It's because you're stupid.
What did he just say? I will turn you into a frog.
You would not turn me into a frog. You're not a magic wand, nor you're a wizard. How many times do I have to remind you that? That's like taking out the sandwich and saying, where did my debit card go? You're so stupid.
Fine. The mouse is going to be cancelled.
I am not canceling your BMW 2013 X5 series.
Boys, what's up?
I'm a sing. I like singing. I'm a donkey. But why was this happening, man? How dare you put monster with your fish? Why? You sound like a big man. Excuse me, sir. Do you want me to point to your dog?
Sir, that's a leak.
Sir, you didn't let me out of the car. Miss, shut your ass. You sound like a running corpse.